Algebra 2 word problems, and here are those word problems that we're interested in. It starts up here, doesn't it? This bathtub problem. You pull out the plug. Let's see if we can read it right twice in a row. Pull out the plug from the bathtub. After 40 seconds, there are 13 gallons of water left in the tub. 1 minute after you pull the plug, there are 10 gallons left. Assume that the number of gallons varies linearly with the time since the plug was pulled. Go ahead. Give me, yeah. No, seriously, stop. No, stop. Stop it. No, really, stop. I can't take anymore. No, no, please, please, stop, 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 stop. Guys, I love you. You're so funny. Can I just write this equation? We already did A through C. That's all right. You're good. We already did A through C, didn't we? And remember that the equation that we had, right? Whoa, Charlie. Charlie Chan, man. These are the ones we want to do, right? Can we write in the equation really quick here? And the equation was, Garçon, was that the number of gallons left after a certain number of seconds was equal to negative 9s plus 19. We're actually using minutes instead, though, aren't we? It says find the Y-intercept. And we talked about this yesterday, that anywhere on the Y-axis is the Y-intercept. Isn't that right? Right? But what's interesting about the Y-intercept? Yeah, that's right. The x value is always 0, so we have the point 0 something, don't we? So to find the y-intercept, we would take g of 0, and that would give us negative 9 times 0 plus 19. It tells us the obvious. What does it tell us? What's 19? What's 19 gallons? You're right. Yeah, but now we're talking to somebody who's not a mathematician, and they're saying, well, what does this all mean? What are we telling them about the water in the tub? Right? That before we pulled the plug, that's time is 0 for us, right? Before we started. So we're saying there were 19 gallons. We'll make Mr. Burkett happy, of H2O in the tub in the beginning. Right? It's like a Catholic school thing, isn't it? In the beginning, there was 19 gallons of water. But anyway, good job. So, question E, that's funny. Question E says, find the x-intercept, the time intercept. What does this number represent? Well, don't we agree that that number here, well, first off, that gives us this. If we graph this, that would give us 0, 19 here, wouldn't it? So this is the point 0, 19. Isn't that right? And then somewhere over here, and this is not precise, but somewhere over here, what happens? What's happening to the level of water? And what finally happens? It runs out of water. So we look at that and we say, right? We say, says the x-intercept. Well, guess what value is 0 on an x-intercept? The y value. So we have the point x something, and we have to find, x0. So we have to find that x value, right? So we're going to take this equation right here, and we're going to set this g of s, this gallons of water, equal to 0. So 0, so when do we have 0 gallons of water? At what time? We should have solved this in terms of seconds. We didn't, right? We solved this in terms of minutes, but what are we going to do here? Start solving, right? So we'll add, is it okay? We'll add negative 19 to both sides. Is that okay? And we'll get negative 9s is equal to negative 19. I just switched sides. Is that all right with you? Now what? Good job. Divide both sides by negative 9. Good job. S is equal to, is it 2 minutes and 20 seconds? 2 minutes, and what's remaining? 20 seconds is what we're saying. Somebody check this out and hit us back up for it. But we know this is the point what? Well, to be really precise, we could just call it that, couldn't we? 0, right? Now here's my question to you. I think this is a really good question. First off, the question is, can I do this? Yes. How come? Please tell me, why does the graph become irrelevant here? What is this? What would this mean? If we extended the graph down here, what would that mean? We'd have what? We'd have negative water. Not only would our tub be dry, but it would be like sucking water out of other people's toilets or something. Right? Negative water, like your cousin is taking a shower or something, that lives with you or whatever, taking a shower and it's blowing dust out instead of water. I mean, negative water. So, is this a possibility? No. Why you tell me about this? Yeah, but not only that, what's happening to time? We're at negative time here. I mean, I've had a negative time before because I'm married. Ooh. Sorry, I joke because I care. But isn't this true? There's no such thing as negative time, is there? Right, right. So this is negative time back here, and this is negative time, and this is negative water. Maybe negative water is like dirty water. That's definitely negative water to me. Okay, you guys. So not bad, right? So we'll do one more video. We'll do the next parts, and we're good to go. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
No one's listening anyway.